Hello everyone. Today we're comparing two popular DIY home security systems, the SimpliSafe and the Ring Alarm. Let's see which one is the better fit for your home. First up, the ease of installation and setup. Both SimpliSafe and Ring Alarm are designed for DIY installation, but they have different approaches. The SimpliSafe is known for its simple plug-and-play setup with pre-programmed sensors, and the Ring Alarm also offers a straightforward setup, but it may require a bit more configuration through its app. Next, let's talk about the equipment and features. The SimpliSafe offers a wide range of sensors and accessories, including entry sensors, motion detectors, and environmental sensors. It's known for its robust cellular backup and professional monitoring options. Ring Alarm integrates seamlessly with Ring's ecosystem of security cameras and doorbells, offering a unified security solution. It also offers a professional monitoring and cellular backup. Now let's consider the monitoring options. Both system offers a professional monitoring, but they differ in pricing and features. The SimpliSafe offers various monitoring plans, including a basic plan with cellular backup. Ring Alarm also offers a professional monitoring, but it's bundled with video recording for Ring camera and doorbells. Smart home integration is a key factor. The Ring Alarm integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, allowing for voice control and integration with other smart home devices. SimpliSafe offers limited smart home integration, primarily with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for basic voice commands. Price and value are significant considerations. SimpliSafe often offers more affordable equipment packages and monitoring plans. Ring Alarm's pricing can vary depending on the chosen equipment and monitoring plan, especially if you bundled it with Ring cameras and doorbells. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. SimpliSafe is a great choice for those who prioritize simplicity, affordability, and robust cellular backup. Ring Alarm is a compelling option for those who want seamless integration with Ring cameras and doorbells. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.